eyemo ase nkwana ya bene abwase tuguchikorigereria amagenderero ase ewodi eyiga ya Kitutu Central litukoria lero nigo nanyoriro mugenyi aiga se asante sana mwancho murigeria kia Hot TV andosi asole ndengenga mbuyole na nigo tugucha eyemo ase nkwana ya bene abwase tuguchikorigereria amagenderero ase ewodi eyiga ya Kitutu Central litukoria lero nigo nanyoriro mugeni aiga se studio uyu kuboria ekirugo kia ewodi eyiga ya Kisi Central gusi Kitutu Central asogo chigukwanira mangana mange aiga ntagete kumwarigania elinde akwanie bali baturigereretie na handa tutebi ngakia kurukwa kogarati kumukwanira no muntu mano mweshimiwa na bagwikwanira elite lyaye mweshimiwa karibu sana karibu sana kiagera nturigereri kurugaria totebi yango ngaki okurukwa
Samarita nkoro kushujaa Nelson oyo matoke koru Kitutu Central nami were boti gaiga angenegesa yes
ego iboire ga wate banga sayanga kya kurugwa
aiga mboti
mboti
yes
no iboire ga
yes
inkobuli urekero wo kyobo ward
yes
ngiye goro kubuli kero geke
ono lende na nonki nereta ngasoma ngasoka asokire iskali na egere binte binge na chiete ngumbu kora asoma ke honga kore emirimo kinde iskali na iranire I'm into logistics and transportation business na makorokoro na iskali na egere binte binge sana
yes
rocho bira konye society era rocho ne first world to mete iskali yes so I believe it's time ngira nenka to birina egere koro iskali ndatera abantu baito to see if I can create change.
Isiku kyeyo gukwanira manyete nabo kugenda Nairobi elini isiku kurwa sorongo rwa gusi isiku kyeyo gukwanira asingencho yo murigereria atake komanya guchime mono
ara menyere no Nairobi eyo no na somete university USIU
yes
kamanya gosoka kaenda iska Texas
Texas
kaenda school ngochia somo pira inkoandia makoro igentogere gwakwanira abu mupira iga mangana yechi taranta no ya understand it ekerora ise koire kero geke ande yake no chiko support chi taranta chi abana bali bako cheze mepira no guseme cheze ende yonsi yes na cheze no Shabana
wache
cheze Shabana 2013 2014 ngacheza Madare 2014
yes
kamanya gosoka na iskali I was on a soccer scholarship umupira na aliwaka igo tinya kaneti school fees
igo no understand it mono amangana yo gwako mupira mangana yo kominyoka mangana yo support chitarante chigenderete kororekana ase ebinyoro bito igasoro gukoro gusi
yes and na niko kwa hii acting I'm one of the actors Bosonga na ara ko rich movie bare satonchira YouTube
kai igama
lenge na Ndizi TV
yes
movie na retu akorete koro kweme chando ya Mosoti
ninyeroche yu kabisa alia
I have promoted more than 20 movies ase orogongoro rwagusi tobwate movie launch by the way
okay ndio korakana
on the 20th
of this month
yes kuma scenes every baby ane no ekali town yali location to be confirmed Kwanza place I believe
Kwanza
yes so bado na yabatinda hayo kukerogeke which I believe mtapata naendelea kusupport talent
okay asante sana umwanchiwa umuriria ukisi Hot TV una mwigule nikongenderete gukwana ya masemo no mweshimiwa ukurukwa Nelson Matoke yotabirenga nabwateganga yokubulia ekirugo kyo obo MCA aiga ase ewodi ya Kitutu Central abwasa tebirenga nabwate okugania gokoreta amaonchuririo anene ekero arachiko chorwa ase ekirugo ekeiga ningirane nande asale achigutumanya amange ekirugo eke ogochia kubulia kyo obo MCA enere ntunde ntangani ogochikubulia ande yake kwarabuliri kuruchinga kichambagega
enere ntunde ntangani yes
enere ntunde ntangani ogochikubulia ase obochori bugocha bwa 2027 yes ninke koro chogo chigokora unique kiagarire ogochikubulia kirugo eke gitana gokorwa
MCA it is a very good person lakini gari limited to information intege tangani are limited to information technology
yes
kwa siku hizi naona mtandao yote live somebody is behind the cameras or muntu lazima abe computer savvy kagere kenege ntokoruga na air kuna kushare, kuna and this is a part of the job. So unaona hata nyinyi mnapata kipato kwa hii.
Yes.
Hizi si vitu MCA wetu wanaweza relate with. Right now niko na kazi za dispatch.
Yes.
Niko na kazi za data annotation, article writing,
Okay.
JavaScript. Because if you met yenye 8 abana bago cha bakora kubuate computer.
Yes.
Tuanya kubatabatayiga kumabwaso.
Okay.
Maybe into MCA to know me but he is limited to information. Orojitane ko rubinyo Roma.
Nabo kombekere disclaimer agabo according to
me, Nelson Matoke, we have a very good MCA. Lakini are limited to information.
No, now, what everything are limited to information according to you and not according to Kiss Hot TV.
Yes.
Bono, asengenchwaye no bwato ukoyuka kwa mangana ya mawasiliano. Njira ki ogochikoene kinga ebijana byonzi biri bikorwa ase award yega nko babire exposed. Bachake kubwatia mangana aya ache kubakonya na njira ki arachi kubakonya sama tukagocha.
Bono tali lazima nge kuchukura amanyanko bonya hakonya. Kuna nateba we are promoting talent.
Yes.
Yento yakabere nimbwate a dispatch center.
Yes.
Abana tumbegeta sigete kanobo computer. Bakonya wakora dispatch wako. Bakolige amakorokore mesi iska America. Nimbwate abantu bakora data annotation.
Yes.
Article writing.
Aha.
Chichira na ndichiro. I am limited to resources and the number of people that I can help at a go. Kiagara ekerole serikali you can use county resources or government resources.
Yes.
Kwa abana loans, church laptop, banideti proxies, banideti internet kongya.
Yes.
So it's at the moment I can only help a few people.
Yes.
Kiagara, you know, I'm just a
na kwigura kugukwana enjira kwa biri kugusira ekegori keke anene ali ekerori isiko aiga bono Kenya tucha se county ya Kisii nubwate byombe bibiro bitatu iga bya baburaka ose vijana wa supportiri as of now.
Yes. Tubwate chibuna nate acting igo mangana ya content entertainment industry guys.
Yes.
I'm one of the pioneers behind Babo Soro, Babo Kemunto, Babo Kiondo. I've worked with all these people. Na tumesaidiana in so many ways.
Okay.
And we are still working on a lot of projects. Igoro yabangina ababoraka.
Yes.
And ababale disabled. At the moment abantu babiri batatu twagorere chi wheelchair na crutches, but we want to do it on a large scale.
Okay.
Because like I said, in the limited to resources.
Yeah.
But ukiingia kwa serikali unajua hawa watu hawa vilema na disabled people
na watu bamenyete na obole maru kebusi. Yes.
Mbabu ate they are tax exempt bali kwa kana tax.
Yes.
Lakini rocha naona rudi yako goromo gati badongo wakanira tax. Wono okorra kuwa ne alengenga bunanku irekero geke.
Yes.
Toko baroselie kiti onde bwensi ole marete ogwe wheelchair onde bwensi utaete crutches ama liogo babe facilitated for free, you know, because hao ni watu wetu na since wako able ku work kama sisi sometimes tunaweza shikana we help them.
Na kira chi konyarekana ikegere county neroge konyore chibesa ku national government ninyarekane ngana ibwe kugochiko fight bune MCA ye ward ye elindo nyole support elio egochia kohena na amaliogo abosa gochia sabantu bamenyete no bale maru on which ground ngakyo gochibokora
as a ward tunalipa tax. So ni number 1 mimi nikishinda kura sitawadanganya ati sitafanya kazi na national development.
Yes.
National government nitafanya kazi na national government but in consultation with my people.
Okay.
Kwenye ginkorangeli ku Nairobi otokwanda twese osengo chamba tenga twarangeli ko tira tole bakwanga.
Yes.
So I will mobilize.
Okay.
I know people in government. Ni sababu sina authority. And that's
how do you have other connections? Yes.
And if the government won't help us, we have donors, tuko na marafiki, tuko na investors. We actually tuko na watu wa Kisii wanataka kusaidia watu wao.
Yes.
But they believe there's a lot of corruption.
Okay.
And there's no protocol. So once there's systems in place, so easy.
Okay. Wakwanira mangana information wakwanira bino gochikokora wakwanira mangana ya abantu bamenyete no bole maru ono take to kwanire abangene bali baburaka
Bangi naba boraka, there is one challenge na gondwe vinyoroma.
Yes.
Ekeromo gaka gusira. Abangi naba bakongewe bitina sama.
Yeah.
It's been rampant. Bakongewe bitina iga abande baro kwa barogi, abande baro kubosenga ki baseli. And most of the time is because of land. Hizi crisis za mashamba.
Bantu batete kuira malemo.
Amalemo. So, yenteke tangani. This is just an advice.
Yes.
Asa abantu bali munywa mete. It's important muatige we. Wase mwarangalia abanyakenya batatu bane batano.
Yes.
Mwabateinga kiyomo chino mota etobe. Ende rimoko nda moro koleme bias. Rimoko nda zayuni. Moko totikane mechando man.
Wasangi no ligete wilinga muntu getenere na atiga.
Yes.
Na ekarato rule asogo konye community mangana yugwakwanira baboraka gwakwanira mangana ibijana. Ntubwate amagenderande buno bwagachi gwechipara ase ward yeye noro chinga chipara nchire chitana korosigwa ande yake karoreire ekeruge keiga obuchigwe chakira.
Yes. Actually Kitutu Central ne town.
Yes.
Lakini kwa Koligereri our roads are poor.
Impassable.
They are not impassable per se, but they are very poor.
Okay.
Ichire unabona ko Rujokville mahata.
Yes.
Osoe gocha imo egetikia barogyo sokere paka butimo ino chikonda.
Mangana abu semo shirikisho abu
shirikisho yose. Eline vumbi ichiro.
Yes.
Ne town. Manyanga a distance Koru town paka shirikisho na Koru town paka Nyanchwa is the same. Lakini hatuna malami hapa ndani. Haya. Lighting system.
Yes.
Taya nchirima. Boni wote nene gabo tuko. Chitayo go chirole town.
Security lights.
Yes. Wote nene town ni oli gari the opposite way. Aya taya nchio botukenga botuko.
Egesunte karo.
Egesunte pi. Na hapa tuko town. Bunangote ndire pagatebire nga amajambasi onsi gamenya tarali aliegesa
abasalia
ekibale gotebera igo sengenjo liliako minyoki ukorwe town ya maete egesuntenkera.
Oh yes.
Gotamaga gosoma ochi ono barabuba buganga nabantu baito bakoro, but our people are very good people na nabantu bari family oriented watimangana, but security si nzuri sababu hatuna stima.
Yes.
Na hii stima ita increase value ya shamba.
Okay.
Korocha kwa ni gobolemo 50 by 100 rogorali boko ni kunyancho.
Yes.
Boko ni up to 5 million. Aigase ita
abantu badage
1.5.
Yes.
Ukiona tofauti ni sababu pale kuna mataa na lami hapa hakuna.
Okay.
That's the only difference.
Igose
kolete rami ma.
Yes.
Ima tena beta bega CMC but I can oversight.
Okay.
I can sweet talk the MP, mo governor, hata president akikuja. Ni kuomba tu na uombe watu wako because we pay tax.
Oise kuligele mangana igwa kwanira security kobeka security lights. Omwe MCA tali konyora support mono yogushugulikira mangana ayo. Ngakyo gukikokora igasi elikoko kini obwa matebwao no yorabe omujumbe.
Ebinte by the way kuna kitu inaitwa adopt a light. Lazima mutumie serikali.
Yes.
But the government is always ready to listen. Again tunachanga kwa. As long as you know the right channel and the right buttons, serikali yetu inasikiza. But hata wasipotusaidia tunaweza fanya adopt a light. Adopt a light ile unatafuta private investors wanaweka mataa and then ile ushuru kidogo inatoka, we slowly pay them back their money.
Oh good.
Actually huko nje mahali tumeishi kuna paka adopt a road. Huko ligiri ntanyie limo lilo siepa.
Litenenere.
Alafu ile tax tunakatakata kwa hiyo barabara kidogo tunamlipa.
Okay.
Because we can't stay stagnant tukingoje usaidizi haikuji.
Okay. Na by the way, mheshimiwa wade kiamo kujikobora lijikura?
Sijaamua lakini niko na team Matiang'i.
Oh, no ora se Matiang'i.
Naonda hata diaspora committee ya Matiang'i. Na I'm one of the facilitators hapa kwa ground. I'm full inside.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante esada murielio kisi Hot TV ni kongere tukukwa na AMO aseyemo na Nelson Matoke uyo tabiri uchikuvulia kirugo kyo MCA elikwene kinga ekwodi eyiga ya Kitutu Central guchire konyora oburabu abwase arule chira chyo kwene kinga guchire kobeka security lights asichisemo chiri chitabwati chitaya elio gukinia oburabu asichisemo na gukinia security gago sabanga ekero araichie koira ekerugo ekeiga goikate mebuna konyara koleta amaonjorero kolenganiwa na bali babere bagwikaransa sekerugeke ase amatuko amagega umushimigwa Nelson amangana ya mache abangena naro abasumbwete sana ekero gukora obutuki bwa gusokora benchmarking gutara igana aria okora ng'abantu mbaisanegete na obokoreri bwo kwenanwa kwa mache
No. Aiga story ekeneki ongongi keregora.
Yes.
MCA ajite kalema bajitene ngakyo a drill yeli.
Yes. Lyogo kunya maji.
Bagatigeraje.
Budget go complete.
We don't understand.
Chibesenja sokete? According to your own
ikorokoro lili tare gocha ne drill bosa. Konchi sokete. But the project is not complete. It's been more than 4 years. Yes, our colleague and take project yet raba complete. Boni kama to kwa ne binyoroma, there is water rationing.
Yes.
Might go say chinse mochanya njungo kolere, but there is a lot of water rationing. Amachi mogosie kerumo kolere.
Oh.
Kuna estima yanga kolere wa ndongo korawa. Mogosie kerumo kolere.
Mwana kuboli bune community.
That's why we are here. That's why we need change.
Yes. Yes.
Why is it so? And kwa nini hizi project haziishi? Are they blind projects zenye watu wanatumia kukula ama ni I don't know.
Ayibona na rama unchuria.
Part of the system as at the moment. But tukiingia kwa system tutajua ukweli. Yes.
Igo no gotebanga amangana ya mache na bwato bwiseru kidogo no chiko yashugurikira.
Yes, gabwe in my opinion kere kenyoroke bwana tegetware ensoko ya. Tegara gusia ntore blessed. Mache tori gotuwa mama no gochis. Chibuti 2030. At the maximum 100 kwa milima. Unapata maji.
Igo ne bisimo gochiko le mande yake gosenga kyobegete biroberi.
We have to drill water. We make there's basic needs. No, an estima is a basic need right now.
Absolutely.
We need jobs. Hizi kazi kama mtu akona kazi ya America inamaanisha anaanza kazi saa 10 mpaka saa 6 ya usiku. Saa 10 cha marova.
Yes.
He needs electricity. Meaning kama tutachukua hizi kazi hatutaki ile estima ya hapo toruga gasi yate nana. So even if it means us coming up with new energy methods, we can create energy too. Kuna biogas, solar, you can even use a backup generator.
Yes.
Kuna hizi kubwa. Whichever way, stima ifai kukatika in this era. Na maji ifai kupotea. Those are basic needs, especially when you tuko town. So whichever way, either tutatumia serikali for support, tunaweza enda hata kwa mashule kuna hii kitu inaitwa Science Congress.
Yes.
These children have a lot of projects. Watoto wako hii kitutu sijatembea sana nione nje, they are so smart and brilliant.
Okay.
Chi project the Science Congress we can take some and actualize them. Yes.
Okay.
Na kuna YouTube. Abo toko Google torole bintu biko kole meremo iskali.
Na into tobire teka tobikole.
Yes. Yes.
Asante.
As a community.
As a community. Yes. Asante sana kwa ule una akwaneire amangana ya mache na chikwenekia ngachisemo chiri chitabwati amache ebisima mbichi okunywa ande yake nabo estimera ale tumuchando bugwakana lakini otebire narete other methods gosedichi solar system arabeke elichira chikupamp amaje elio achi gutuka gosatumeka magana biogas ikiagara estimanero nebwate okugani kole okwaigoro lakini iraisa kunyarekana ngantura ikera magana solar magana yogutumeka biogas estimano chikurusibe sia umuguko buna omo MCA go support supply of water.
No. We pay tax. Serikali iko na pesa, mbona nitoe pesa kwa mfuko kusupply? Kwa nini serikali isitusaidia ndugu yangu? Sisi ni Wakenya. Tunalipa ushuru.
Yes.
Na hatuombi kuiba. Tunaomba kupatia watu wetu. Sometimes I feel the open mouth gets fed. Olio kwa sabanero korageri.
Nero korageri.
Teora asieko monuga oigorwa mo.
Obetereli gukorageriwa.
So, mimi sijaona MCA wangu akienda Nairobi kuchukua maendeleo. Lakini nginyorite mbacheta bakaya ku 20,000 bakaira.
A disclaimer according to him.
Mbacheta tomaite. But sijaona akitoa watu hapa smart people, brilliant people. Awaambie tuende Nairobi tuende kuchukulia watu wetu maendeleo. It's never happened.
Okay.
He's never asked for a meeting with the president on a personal level. You'll be surprised how watu ukiwaomba meetings. Hawana shida.
Lakini mayetekero mukomera omo raibwense emoko genda asige kuti toko genda mu MC oyomo because it's somehow challenging.
Who said? What's the challenge? Like I said, the open mouth gets fed. Karaboli kwanzo
eye kwa nanere kwa hiyo
ntoko onya kuboli akani. Yes, we president anamita everybody. Because it's our right. Yeah. Talinga ati ni tafadhali.
Mheshimiwa Nelson, tuchenga marao na ali iguru sana yogokonya e community. Inki kiagera tugachora kubuli ekero kyo MCA ngwa buli kyo bujumbe.
MCA first charity begins at home. Ndaitenda ngeanka. Abantu ababankini wakandageli wakandra bunango kina bunango soka, they understand me better.
Yes.
I believe Tinda, I'm not politically experienced.
Okay.
I'm just a leader. Even to on face value ntara. I would rather get no MCA.
Yes.
So that I understand the challenges at a small scale. And by the time I'll have knowledge on how to handle a large group of people.
Okay. You want to give back to the community uchakera as a ward level.
Akankonya haraka.
Iga utakiteta moya mosida mubiro maego chiko.
Sasa hiyo ni wananchi wataamua. Mi kwanza nitaingia hii ya kwanza. Kurwa bambe kera tiyo agotebatira sawa. Agonde itikara nande torate amatema. Agoteba gwasali karasu kato yonde. The people that decide. Sina yes.
Okay. Asante sana omwanchi wa omurigeria okisi Hot TV unatokenda tukwa na AMO ase AMO na Nelson Matoke uyo tebire nga nabwate iganga yokoene kinga ward eyiga ya Kitutu Central guchire gucenjia ase amatuko agocha na tego cenjia onyeta kwewa ekiruge kiga abwate iganga kuburia na gukewa igo gagendrete ko kweonia ero umonyene koene kinga mumwakire chikura elio achikoleta amagendero abo ase alire chire chyo koene kinga ebintu bichigo chenche magana security lights yotebiru kwaneira magana ya mache magana y'ikibara asichisemo ao na achikuyo shigulikira elinde community enyareke gufaidika ose konyora ali batagete ose batakiri konyora ase ward ekogerana barabwo ngwakana bare ebango omwishimiwa naende ingikeri obwate ogochigokora apart from magana y'ubwachi we chipara mangana yo kubeka amache mangana ye bitacho nande magendero kyo bwegete ekigara no bwate ekwerende yawo ngakitoko yeruka manifesto nande kikeli go chikokora wetani mangana yo bwagachi bwechipara amo na amache
kwanza nta invest heavily on sports kagaro ligera liboni gabo Kitutu ebiti beyond to bwate mbiri standard korunya bururu kia mwasi iga daraja mbili kio ngongi bakelire kiaelre ya mbera hakuna kiwanja iko standard mahali tutaleta timu stadium welitali Kitutu Central mimi itabidi tutafute either shamba yenye ni enough we set a sports center sonye te konya alikana because that's a tall order abotoko bwata na neskuru ebwate getikere standard
yes
toke develop so because at the moment vinyore vyonsi my sports inapotea leaders wetu wa saizi nobody is investing in sports
yes
again tokende na lengeret babo ele nobiri Mary Mora miaka ya chiri kwa ramba abu moison
maba ngora go chenchibire bintu
ngonya go chenchibire na unaona omonto obu wa Mary Mora nkoru bogerega mwese konde ebitiro to bwata ne bingi people can train here. All we need is just a facility. Sabantu bago jenge dom. Babo ba train ama minyoko kiango wale wenye wako top tuwabalige scholarship basa. Abandege konyalikana baenda bato represent Olympics. But we have to invest in sports. Na sports yeto bone tonge koru schools, primary schools. Unomo pira you can even start soccer academies through schools.
Yes.
Koligie skuru ya mere within ye binyoro byeto. Ere strong. Tuanda tuwaligie abana bali talented, tuacha tuwababeko.
Yes.
Ona abana bali bago soma. At the same time wanna train on a daily basis. By the end of school, tuarra organize inora so Premier League team, wase tomoto me Europe, wase aenda America kwa soma. Because these opportunities are there.
Ndochenga rubwate kerengere kenge wo support abantu bagwa ku mupira go sabana bagwa ku mupira. Na bali bakominyoka na bari wakwanire. Mangana a content creation wakwanire. Mangana aya oisego chorwa 2027. Eki kakenga nangaki uratake eligo ikirania.
Ni gabna to kwana ntore team nere to go support Kisi industry area. Go so area regional level.
Yes.
So already we are doing it. Iko FKF regional level. Wano tota eteto tumeke team NH team chinde toralete. Abana babaito go kora chi academy chi high school wago so
babe elevated
ose onye kore too talented if you have a great talent I was okay kwa ndede scholarship so kwanda kwa ligali ku chitimu isko
ige timu yuwa tabire nga asovura muko na go support muko ye support in terms of chihanga emepira
wanaingia league wameingia regional league this season. I actually had a meeting with them today.
Yes.
So tunawapea mipira, uniform, at the same time facilitation ya transportation tutafanya.
When?
See, whenever they are attending games.
Okay.
Chibago chesa regional level. So wakienda Kisumu ama wakienda Nyamira kucheza. Trust me, you have to spend more than 50,000. Hiyo ukiweka transport, chakula, mahali pa kulala kama wanaenda mbali, it's a lot of, because you're dealing with up to 30 people.
Sponsors na bange baroro gusina ye.
No, na bange, it's a group yenye wako wamejisimamia kivyao, but we are just facilitating from the back. Behind the scenes kind of. Lakini it's a football team wenye wamejisimamia. Na wanajua kitu wanafanya.
Okay.
So, but because tumeona hiyo initiative yao, and I'm sure they need a little support from us, so why not?
Oh. Na ise konyarekana ebintu byo tekete gochikokora because bali baturigerete kurwaria nabo gosange ngano hano uri ogochikorwanirie kero geke na baturigereretie iranyarekana byakorekanire before 2027 na ndo gochenja
mungabono nalibono honya byakorekana, that's better. Ngabona nalibono moko ngabona mbikoro na large scale.
Yani chikubikinia igoto gocha na mbinu ngao na ande yue lakini chikoyekinia.
As long as we have systems that work, I don't need to change anything.
Okay.
The only reason tuko hapa mimi na wewe because system yetu haifanyi kazi. Zile vitu zenye zinafanya kazi sisi hatujaongelelea.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are only here to solve issues. Yes.
Amangana yobwaga chibwe stadium wakwanira mangana yobunga Kitutu Central mubwati stadium lakini iso kurekero geke no chikwene kinga mwatwali stadium wose mochi go korabusine collaboration gete ne school gete monyore egeti obwagachi we stadium ni gobote chibese chinyinge lakini iso kurigere none chi county chinyinge nchira ikerania so obwagachi we stadium ngakiora chikuikerania engana yobwagachi we stadium buno mo MCA.
Okay. Again toma yateke tangani as long as you bore moboro, as long as tonyora so bore mobore, negeti kerara niko. Yes, a stadium is very expensive. Kegara gocha koro saving te around there it costs millions.
Yes.
Maybe up to 500, sometimes up to $1 billion. Each stadium is 7 MC and but like I said, we have investors.
Yes.
Kuna paka hata hizi betting companies. Kuna there's a lot of people when you're interested sport pesa hizo betika.
Yes, betika, yes.
Just merge with these people, advertise them, weka mabango yao hapo kando. Kiwanja ianze pole pole, ondoa konyora, mwaga acha kende. Mokonya kongangora, it's a project maybe itachukua up to 10 years. Tani atinegento. But korosie geti na kwarani.
The foundation, yes.
That's easy. Abana barangi omo pira.
Okay. Asante sana omurelia we TV ya Kisii Hot muna moigure Nelson Matoke nabwate ekerengereria kyogo chikoleta uburabu ase award eyiga ya Kitutu Central aise gochorwa koira ekeruge keiga 2027 na abali bakuburia ekeruge keiga no kubabeka eratiri na koranga ande ake ningora chikoleta amaonchererio aise gochorwa ukwanire amangana amange lakini ayonsi ipi nigotogochia kumuligia onye ugochia koira ekeruge keiga achikoto tochikubeka no ane clip ekega tumuboringa nkerikikeria ekemo 2-3 abeire ugoikirania magega yogochorwe kokaragate basemi yaketane mitangani na ateme buna konyara kora nabwate connections gochichisi chaisiko ko ene kinga amagenderera yaiga achire goikiraniwa ndagete turagenda break ya sini ini etumane gochia koirana baadaye uyiga ugenderete koleta inkwane yiga eyemo ase eyemo ngongorugwa Zadok omokenya tukendeto tukwana no mwishimiwa ukurukunga Nelson Matoke koirana tore ase ikagitari igitambi kurugona. Asante sana mwanchwa umurilo Kisii Hot TV niko turagenda umutimuko mokeiga nande bono twire ndekero tugenderete ninkwane yito eyamaseyemo mweshimiwa ukurukunga Nelson Matoke yubwate iganga yokubulika rugo ukyo obo MCA ase award eyiga ya Kitutu Central na mweshimiwa aiga Kitutu Central tubwate community mbali na ntubwate community bune ya abanubi togotebeke gusi inchira ki orachi kubakonya kegera ntubwata mangana ya okohera no gwichi besa gusa mangana ye magenderero inchira ki obabegete bagochi gufaidika ase oburai bwao.
Yes. Abanubia ne is a part of Omogusi. Kegera nchege sangi boru nubi no onyero chali. Ima etaba nta bangi kuru nubia babo sulfa moha sule.
Yes.
Abange sa. I believe there should be equal remittance of resources kwa kila mtu. But neglected ake.
Yes.
Ake gonanya kumanya wae.
Egono chiko twist ya sinini.
Kima itiko say we have to understand what the problem is. But mbare neglected igorali. We'll need more guidance.
Ebatengire in terms of just explain
in terms
jobs.
Of development. Their houses look like shanties.
Okay.
And mawena amalemo succession ya amalemo abo it rarely happens. Nima etemekana y'abantu baiberu amalemo nubia gari.
Yes.
And these are facts. We'll sit down, kwanza tora understanding kikigendrete, and they say kibako were treated like that. Maybe it's historical.
Okay.
But it's time to put our differences aside. Orocha bano buna shirikisho mata.
Yes.
Assistant chief wao ni Brian Onditi, Otieno somebody. He's from Lola. That's a good thing. Yes, why? Because hapo shirikisho hapo chini, community yetu ya Wajaluo ni wengi.
Yes.
Ni wengi sana. Na wengi wao hata hawataki kurudi kwao. So wamekuwa a part of us.
Okay.
We have to assimilate them. Hakuna nje. And that's why serikali unaona paka imepatia mmoja wao akakuwa assistant chief.
Yes.
Because they have numbers. Na wao Nubia, they need to be given elective posts.
Okay.
Babe nominated to these, you know,
positions. Yes,
because their population is
somehow
significant.
Better.
Yeah, lazima you cannot ignore that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igono bwate iganga yogochikokonya community ye yabanubi kwene kinga soburai bwao bonsi pi nkonyora bale amagendero kurwa asole usina mangana yechigasi asenjera erengaine.
Ntutoka cha okorega ntokekora ku equitable remittance of resources. We solve issues, we don't solve people. Onyo mochando kora segete emergency response yaite ko minyoko ya solve wo mochando. Ndoli naja na monto menya to ko mo solve.
Tukwenda mangana education asinini karoto kurigerelinga education na botoko tebangere under national government. But isu kurigerelia ECD very developed. Ase wodi yiga ekero kwa kolire uchunguzi yao. Abalimu ba ECD ntubwate baiside because bako employed by the county government. Na inki ora chikokora onye birasi mbisa ini na abalimu onye baisa ini.
Now, topic here ECD, I believe it's under the governor.
Yes.
So the last time I checked, na rolenge ko facilitate. Kwa gache birasi.
Exact.
Birasi an oversight. What I'll do, mimi number one, I'll make sure I'm in good terms with the governor.
Okay.
I don't have an option. Whether we don't agree politically, whether we agree, kama amechaguliwa huyo ndo atafanya kazi naye.
Yes.
Number two, MP wangu pia. Because they have a bigger budget. I believe ukinyenyekea since it's our taxpayer money, hawananga shida, na usilete siasa ndani. Omba hizo ECD classes, more teachers from the community waende training. Yes.
Okay.
And then just tuachie county government facilitate. Mimi nitafuatilia na nitaomba hizo classes na nitaomba watu waende wakuwe trained.
Lakini bila kuwa raigura bali mumbaisa ine.
Ekio tinda research buya no gonna lie.
Na antura nyola complaints maybe
ECD haija pick up.
Okay.
I think okotenga one needed maybe it's because bali mumbaisa ine.
Okay.
I need to do more research. But one thing I know, ECD has not achieved its goal. Yes. There's a lot to be done.
Okay. Asante sana huna kwa igule mheshimiwa Nelson Matoke abaire okwireneria iguru ya mangana y'ikisemi nachi koene kingano onye ne birasi mbisa ine biri bikwagachwa amone county government na bali murachi kushughulika onye mtibaisa ine ekara togochi gukorera ntagete togenda national politics ase togochi gukwanira murai kurwa asorongoro gusi okurukunga Dr. Fred Matiang'i abwasate banga no ara ase timu ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i usikuriria ase orongoro gusi ntubwate abange bago support Dr. Fred Matiang'i lakini ena mbenge minority nere tari komo support why ugo choose ko support a timu ya Matiang'i boro tuachire Matiang'i fact kera tokogenda national politics kera togochi gukorera enkwari yito ya masemo why are you supporting Dr. Fred Matiang'i?
I believe in obomo gusi. Like I say, united we stand, divided we fall.
Okay.
oligere liboniga gento kigendrete mugusitara ba united we aigo but we are slowly picking up a problem where other communities are using the divide and rule concept oyo mago joko buata
Yes.
ogote igendo te abantu bene gaga olino bwe community and nero mbuata bono ntutwanya kurwana that's what we want to stop okonyore tote bonye ruto obuatiro soro simbo obuatiro koru ODM so it's like a clash mbata etito buatana tutota etitora chase ke boekemo
Yes.
tobo montoyo mo because ukiangalia we share the same culture we eat the same food we share the same climate
Yes.
We cannot ignore that and this is not tribal charity begins at home.
Absolutely. Yes.
Kwenda community kwamanya kosoka gochie county kwenda province ibo
Gochigoro, yes.
lakini njera teo morata tenga ngatutigane ntunga tuache ukabila to disintegrate
politics is local
kunoko pokore likuwa bongo otota tutonde buno muntu oyo national government
yes
ligiota ko mu gusiegente to buno muntu oyo tomate buno toko baka we know who's smart we know who's capable we know who's a thief that's all we want otota to bomo bomo gusi and the people that have integrity of which Matiang'i ndio tumeona so far.
Enkwano nere yachakire gwetana na ngambale kurwa soro kurwa gusibale bise magaga ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i bachiko chorwa ebirogo enkwano ingakyora ye kwanerenga bako chiko hangi as Matiang'i elinde bachoru sono bwe MCA osobujumbe inkyora kwanira
into we are hanging behind obomo bomo gusi amororo monto le beta kubwa Matiang'i torete of which we've looked around there is none
okay
Matiang'i very tried and tested Soro very tried and tested Simba they are good leaders all of them
yes
but Matiang'i is far ahead
okay
uliona venye education sector ilikuwa and he has
security
alafu he doesn't have a godfather per se mtoto tae to monto ko isaranse mesa
wamwa
onye ruto karali no monto bogera karali na into yoito no ara lakini bwana moto mo osoro reports to Ruto osoro ata isaranse na Ruto ikaba ba negotiating akiomo gusi osoro ga kochia Ruto ina kitota tai eto tai to monto ekera isaransta na uli isaransta ali otoko gwesha ito ali ngati toko saberro go sama ver si tafadhali we pay tax and we are in this country we own it too
Igo mugo chiko babange mukubuli kiruge kiga and a team ya Matiang'i no ready for nominations
why not
okay
I'm actually looking forward to that mimi nataka wananchi waamue hata tukue watu 10 kwa Matiang'i
yes
tobekera tuligoro twins
okay toga nominations yo uko ire kiro ipati yo daro go chiko iruke bandere
itakuwa mimi ndio
ndio mwata confidence isaine nganaye
yes
okay asante sana tagete ko chikomo edagike yamo nenusu omwishimiwa akwane enkwano yaye yomoelio ekaro tokuchi gosieka enkwano yeito yamase mo igoro yamagendero asinge chuna bwateganga yokubulia ekirugo kyo MCA soboche wali bogo chabwe chirubire na gwasebero gebere na isano na ibire mwishimiwa Nelson Matoke enkwano yawe yomoelio wechi asibali baturigereti na nene egesa ku okyomugusi na bali bagwa kachikurase award ejiga ya Kitutu Central kwana yaonerelie yomoelio
yes abantu bami chenkoro kushija Nelson oyo Matoke ongi boira abo Kitutu nari ko basaba mumbu atesio koboko ando ndoro cha senko bosa na bogo chonsemi onye koroche gentongendre mbwana to go improve na bogo chontebi onye ko bwata ideologies chira konya abantu baito and you believe I can channel them to better places to obo chitokwa na bara ibali bande mogo sabe biro njengo sabo molemba somo gusi yora ntuna banta abam siasa itaisha tutaendelea yule mwenye atashinda tutamsupport yinko babua mchumbu hata sio koboko togendera ko konya abantu baito and if in abantu ndo chibinango chikobu but if it happens which I don't think it will I'll support whoever wins you know because that's democracy onko basaba bana ba minto tigato tigarege nteke mu buno mugusi that's the only way toranyora magendera to type otherwise as it stands it's only individuals that are benefiting from government Akimbia mono for your time and I wish you well.
Asante sana inero enkwana yomwelio yomweshimiwa Nelson na abantu akwanira bukalika muhimu nga obwacholi nkoera bule tutigale koba abana bamo bwacholi nkoera bule tutigale koba basani bwacholi nkoera bule tutigale koba abakenya uyo guchiko chorwa ekirugo aiwe esiko yaye nabo nyore okubwatisiwa asibali arachi kubwa nalitorakini amagendero na gukina bune gisaku kia umugusi wikira gabo no takete kusikira nkwano yaitu eyamo ase eyamo na igantu bwati wanjiririe kunde gwensi into we are always non-partisan even as serikali even no murengo opposition tuliko tukubike bintu buna bire ayo twabire tukukwana is according to him and not according to Kisi Hot TV wikira gabo timbu atiande wotuziga kubutura enkwaniga eyamo ase eyamo yoleta enkwaniga kana twalingo gusanga na Nelson Matoke ngongoro kwa Zadok Mokenya na tugendera ukwana na baraibande. Asante sana. Asante, karibu sana. Asante.